Guys, I gotta start this video out with saying I got scammed. Yeah, guys, I got scammed for guess what? My spike. I miss my spike so much, and I need it more than anything. I need it more than anything in the world. I need another spike. I keep telling people I got scammed for my spike, but they won't believe me. And I really want my spike back. The green and blue spike. So guys, if you guys can trade me on Animal Jam, or if they ever make a gift Jamagram good, can you please guys give me a spike? Because I really want my spike back. But hey, if I think about it on the bright side, I did get a Jam Holiday blanket. Guys, I gave away my Jam Holiday wings. I'm so sorry. But I did trade to get. I now do have this. Guys, I think the Jam Holiday blanket is a lot better than the thing. But guys, please give me a spike. I need it more than anything. I tell people I got scammed. Look, someone slammed me for my spike. My green spike. Please. And people just ignore me. Like they don't even believe I exist. And I really, really want it back. More than anything, guys. I cried for it. I spent half my time trying to trade for a spike. But guys, I got scammed. They said they would give me full reindeer armor and a unicorn horn, like the last scammer. Not a unicorn horn, but and a rainbow visor. And I'm like, okay, whatever, just give me the reindeer thing first. And they said they would give me the other thing first, but this is like my best friend saying this, so I believed him. And I went with this trade. He unfriended me, and I don't even remember his name. But I did block him, and I did report him. So you will never have to deal with him, guys. For scamming me, I need my spike back really badly, guys. And I really want it, so this is spike appreciation month. So please, give me my spike back if you're a caring person. If you're a caring Animal Jammer, you would give me a spike. Please, guys, I got scammed for my spike, and I really need it back. Thank you, guys. Bye. I guess like and subscribe or whatever.